Hi friends, I'm Alice and welcome to your 10-minute morning ritual yoga flow. Now this practice is here for you if you're someone who has quite stressed and rushed and anxious mornings. It's a practice that you can come to when you need to find calm, you need to slow down, you need to breathe, and you want to start your day from a place of intention rather than overwhelm. This is a simple ritual that you can come back to time and time again to find space to breathe, space to reset, and space to ground. Remember, consistency is key, so the more you do, the more progress you'll see. And if you want to bring more of this sense of calm into your day-to-day, I've created a free guide called Make Room for Ritual, which involves simple tips and tools to help you build a ritual practice that actually sticks, so that you can manage your stress and anxiety in a more natural way, and to help you feel more steady and grounded in day-to-day life, even when it gets a little bit chaotic. I'll pop the link in the description below. Please make sure to check it out and download it. Have a little read. I feel like you're gonna love it. Now we're gonna start practice. You don't need anything except your mat and some space. But if you would like to, I'm gonna start my practice today with a little bit of essential oil. So if you have some oils and you want to bring that onto your mat today, then you can. I've just grabbed my peppermint oil. I'm gonna start with some breaths. If you don't have any, that is okay. You can just breathe the air. So we're going to start today in Virasana at the back of the mat. So get yourself set up and come and sit to the back of the mat. Bring the knees together. If you've got a block, you can pop them between the heels if you'd like to. And if you've got your essential oil, just pop 1 drop or 2 in the palms. If it's undiluted, just do 1 drop. It will be quite strong. Rub it between the hands and cup it over the face. And take in some breath. If you haven't got any essential oil, that is absolutely fine. Just breathe in, close your eyes, bring your hands to the lap. And just taking 5 breaths in total. When you're taking those 5 breaths, if you're using your essential oil, just bring your hands down onto your legs. Palms down, this sense of grounding, rooting into the earth, and just notice how you feel. Take a full breath in through the nose. Pause at the top. And then let it go, cleansing breath out. Another one of those, full breath in. Pause. And breath out. Nice. Flutter open the eyes and come onto all fours. Bring the hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips, and just start to move around. So you can circle, you can stir it around, get into the wrists, the spine, the hips. Just coming into a bit of free movement this morning. And letting your body lead. Connecting truly, deeply into your body. Because it tends to be when we hit those moments of stress and overwhelm, we're not in our body, we're in our head. So one of the best ways to kind of get out of your headspace is just to be in your body. Last 2 breaths. Last one. Just getting what you need. And then finding your way into downward facing dog. And that same exploration. Just pedal through the feet. Get what you need, what feels interesting, what feels supportive, what has purpose for you, what's going to help you in surviving the rest of the day, taking on the rest of the day. And breathe. And we've got lots of repetition today, so we're just going to move through and see if it can become a bit of muscle memory. So right leg's going to lift. Take an inhale, lift it high up to the ceiling. Exhale, step your right foot outside of your right hand, come into lizards, drop the back knee. Take an inhale, float your right fingertips all the way up to the ceiling, lean the chest away from the front thigh. As you exhale, bring your right hand down, pick up the back knee and extend into pyramid pose. You can pick up the front foot as well if you'd like to. Pull that right thigh bone back, take an inhale. As you exhale, rebend into the front knee. Ground the left hand, reach the right fingertips up and over, and as you do, pivot onto the outside edges of the feet, so turning the toes to the right side of the mat. Come into horizon lunge. Take a big stretch of your right fingertips up and over the head. And then turning over your left shoulder, start to turn all the way, so you start to move towards the back leg, bend into that left knee, come into Skandasana pose. Heavy through that left heel as much as you can. You can bring your hands to heart if that helps you. If you need some hands either side of that right leg, that's okay. Breathe. Take a seat to your right sit bone. So if you can't do that without the hands, use the hands for support. Turn to face that right leg and cross your left leg over your right. Hug it in nice and tight. Right elbow into left knee, left fingertips back behind you. Take an inhale. Exhale, take a twist. Keep looking over your left shoulder, extend the left leg, slide it past the right, and then bring both hands towards the back of the mat, roll onto your belly, come into a cobra, push the hands into the floor, lift the chest away, take a breath, and then exhale, downward facing dog. Nice, first side done. Inhale, float the left leg. Exhale, step left foot outside of left hand. Inhale, drop the back knee, reach the left arm up. Take it into pyramid pose, both fingertips come on the inside of the left leg, extend both legs as you pull the hips back, maybe roll on the front heel. Long through the lower back. Rebend into the front knee, right hand grounds a little bit further away from you and roll onto the outside edge of the back foot. Roll the left toes over to the left and reach the left fingertips towards the front of your mat. Reach, 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 lift the hips high, horizon lunge. Turning and pivoting on the feet. Coming towards the right leg, bend into the right leg as you extend the left leg, come into Skandasana pose. Try and find some length through your spine. Take a seat to your left bum cheek, twist towards the left big toe and take a cross of your right leg over your left leg. Taking a hug, left elbow into the knee, right fingertips back behind you. Take a big breath in. Exhale, twist. Keep looking over your right shoulder, ground the right hand, extend the right leg and roll onto the belly into your cobra. Take an inhale, pull the chest forward. You can take up dog if you'd prefer. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, reach the right leg up. Exhale, step the right foot outside of right hand. Inhale, reach the right arm up, open chest, twisted lizard lunge. Exhale, pyramid pose. Extend the front leg, pull the toes back. Inhale, rebend into the front knee, pivot onto the outside edges of the feet, come into horizon lunge. Exhale, pivot over the left shoulder, take a bend into the left knee as you extend the right leg. Skandasana. Take a seat to your right bum cheek, taking that seated twist, hug the left knee in, cross it over, twist to the left. Take an inhale. Exhale, twist. Extend the left leg, slide over that left hip onto your belly. Take a breath in into your cobra or up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, float the left leg. Exhale, step the left foot outside of your left hand. Inhale, drop the back knees, you reach the left fingertips up. Exhale, pyramid pose, roll on the front heel. Inhale, shift forward, come into horizon lunge, roll onto the knife edges of the feet, reach away with the left fingertips, nice long line. Exhale, take a twist over your right shoulder, bend into your right knee, sink into your Skandasana. Take a seat back behind you, use any support of your hands if you need, cross your right leg over your left leg, twist over your right shoulder, take a hug of the knee with the left arm. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale, twist. Slide the right leg down past the left leg, roll over the right hip onto the belly, take an inhale, pull forward into your up dog or cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, reach your right leg up to the ceiling. Exhale, step your right foot outside of your right hand. Low lizard lunge, take a twist, inhale. Exhale, right hand down, pyramid pose. Re-bend into the front knee, horizon lunge. Roll onto the knife edges of the feet. Take it over the left shoulder, come into Skandasana, into the left leg, extend the right leg. Take a seat. Draw the left knee in as you hug it in and take a twist. Slide the left leg down, roll onto the hip, roll onto the belly, take a breath in, come into your cobra or up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, sweep the left toes up to the ceiling. Exhale, step the left foot outside of the left hand, lizard lunge. Drop the back knee on your inhale, reach the left fingertips up, lean away. Exhale, take the left hand down, extend the front leg. Roll on the heel if you'd like. Re-bend into the front knee, ground the right hand, come into horizon lunge, roll onto the knife edges of the feet. And then twisting over your right shoulder and take a nice deep bend into your right leg as you extend the left leg, Skandasana pose. Breathe. Take a seat to the left glute. Hug the right knee and cross it over and take a twist over your right shoulder. Extend the right leg, roll on the right hip, come onto the belly, take an inhale, come into your cobra or up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Let's take one more round. We know where we're going now, just start to tune into your breath. Right leg's gonna lift. Step right foot outside of right hand, come into your lizard lunge, drop the back knee, take an inhale, sweep the right fingertips up. Exhale, pyramid pose, roll on the front heel. Inhale, horizon lunge, bend into the front leg, roll onto the knife edges of the feet. And then take it into Skandasana, take a bend into your left leg, stay low. Take a seat. Hug the left knee over right leg, take a hug and a twist. Come into your cobra, roll on the left hip. Inhale, pull it forward. Exhale, drag it back. Inhale, sweep left toes up to the ceiling. Exhale, step it outside of left hand. Drop the back knee. Inhale. Exhale, pyramid pose. Inhale, horizon lunge. Give yourself space, roll onto the knife edges of the feet as you reach. And then twist, pivot on the feet, shift into the right leg, bend into the knee, hands to heart. Take a seat, take a hug, take a twist over your right shoulder, seated twist, take an inhale. Exhale. Slide and extend both legs, roll on the right hip, come into the belly, take a breath in, come into your cobra. And then take it into your child's pose. Settle in and let it go. Start to work all the way back up into that Virasana, seated on the shins. Bring the knees together. But this time, instead of palms face down, let's take palms face up. Close the eyes. And just surrender into the shape. Surrendering into the end of your practice. Feel the palms, the body, absorbing the energy around you, that energy you've just cultivated. And keep hold of it. Really absorb it, take it in. Feel it. And carry it with you through the rest of your day. We'll take a full breath in. And a full breath out. Thank you for practicing with me. Thank you so much for practicing with me and joining me for this morning ritual yoga flow. I really hope you enjoyed, and I hope you feel a bit more grounded and reset and ready for the day ahead. Remember, you can download my free guide, Make Room for Ritual, if you want more practices like this and more tips and tools how to integrate this deeper into your life and make it stick. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and let me know how you got on in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you never miss a practice. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day and rest of your week. And I hope to see you very, very soon. Lots of love.